Here's an upgrade that I did to my Arctic Fox 992 truck camper, probably getting close to 3.5 years ago. But the 992 has a dry bath, and there's this little light bar, light fixture above the bathroom sink area, and it's got these globe style incandescent lamps. So I have replaced those with some power saving LED lamps. So what we're going to do is reinstall the incandescent lamps, take a look at the power consumption of those, and then take those out, install the LED, and then look at the power consumption on the 3 LED lamps. So I have a BMV 712 battery monitor from Victron, and I have the Victron Connect app installed on a small tablet, and we're going to look at the power draw through that app on my tablet because it's a lot easier to see that than actually looking at the meter itself. Here's a quick look at the tablet that I have. This is a little Samsung 8-inch tablet. So right here is our amp draw, 1.39 amps, and that's with just the overhead lights in the main living area turned on. So once I get the incandescent lamps reinstalled, then I'll turn off the main cabin lights and take a look at that amp draw again. So right here is the bathroom in my 992. So any camper from Northwood Manufacturing, which is primarily going to be the Arctic Fox 1140 and 1150 with a dry bath, is probably going to have this style light bar. So there's a switch right there, and then also if we look down here next to the bathroom sink, there's a switch here. I've upgraded this to a bigger style rocker switch. But now that I've put these incandescent lamps back in here, I realize how dim they are compared to the LED lamps. So we're going to go ahead and pop over here, turn off the main cabin lights, and look at that amp draw. So we are at 3.75 amps. That's pretty significant considering how little light they put out compared to how many lights I had turned on with the main overhead lights in the living area. So we're going to go ahead and switch those over to the LED. So here's with the LED lamps installed, and you can see how much brighter they are. It's actually bright enough to be putting out a usable amount of light. So we'll pop back out here and look at my tablet. So we are at 1.15 amps. That's pretty significant reduction in power usage. So those lamps, I'll have a link in the description below, which is also an Amazon affiliate link. Those links that I have down below, they don't cost you anything extra, just helps earn me a little bit of a sales commission. We can see the amperage kind of fluctuating a little bit between 1.09 up to about 1.1, 1.15 periodically. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and give some consideration to buying any of these products if they look like they'll suit your needs.